I'm supposed to be getting my ride detailed today. All right, this is the first time I ever having a mobile unit come to my house. So I'm gonna show you guys the process, how he's doing it. So right now I'm getting ready to prep this for sale. All right, she's over a good 15 years old, excellent car, Dodge Magnum. All right, hate to see her go, but I'm prepping for my new ride. So I just want to prep her and get her all ready and sweet looking for the next owner. So, all right guys, let me introduce to my sexy Mag here, all right, she's been with me for a long time, very good car, really enjoyed her, all right, a lot of horsepower underneath the hood, and I've been keeping her very well maintained. So, but right now she just needs a little facelift, you know, and that's what we're gonna do today. All right, Boys and the Toys Studio Rays, check me out. Please like, subscribe, hit me on the comments if you have any questions about this process. All right, just you know, I found this guy on Quick Listing or Quick something or something like that. I'll put a link on where I found him at. All right, and his information. All right, and let you know if it's a thumbs up, thumbs down on this process. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, Boys and the Toys. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Studio Boys and Toys. As you can see, I'm getting my car detailed. We have, what's your name? Francisco. He's going to explain to us what exactly he's doing to the car.
So now we clean to the paint, we put the clay, with the air clay, we clean it out to the paint first. Later we do it to the clean the with thinner, check it out, and after that one we got to put a compound, glaze, and wax for polish.
Okay, so that's taking out all the scuff marks.
Yeah, that's for the clay.
For the clay?
Clean the paint.
Clean the paint?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so that's what he's doing now. Guys, all right, this is my first time hiring a professional detailer to come out to the house to do the car. So let's continue to watch him do his work, all right? All right, guys, I hope you can hear me on this now because he has his own compressor on. So right now, he's cleaning the car, getting all the imperfections out of it, I believe, all the scuff marks, all the dirt. They come out, do a thorough wash of it. So again, guys, I found this guy on Offer Up. I decided to give him a chance instead of taking it to a car wash. try one of these mobile units to see if it'll come out to the house, detail this car, see how it comes out. All right. Got here early this morning. Everything's looking good. Washed it thoroughly. They come out with all their equipment. They got their own generator, their own power washer, what have you. So I'm hoping to bring this car back to its nice shine. But it definitely needs it to help. All right, guys. So as you can see, he's just going around with the clay. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see all that dirt coming off with that clay. Go.
Now we put a 3M compound, a strong compound. Here to remove the scratch and take a more polish to the clear. And later put a glaze and wax.
Okay,
now
so
we put a compound.
that's the compound?
Yes.
Now that compound gonna take care of that hood too? Get all that? All right.
Yep.
Yeah, 'cause I got a lot of scratches on that hood.
Yep. You have a lot of scratch.
Yeah.
Let's go remove it that one. I put a red in here.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Excellent. All right, so guys, he's putting on the compound now to get all the scratches out of the car. All right. Before he puts a glaze on it and all that stuff. So he's coming along, knocking it all out.